Now let's see this question. In what ratio rice at 930 rupees per kg is mixed with rice at 1080 rupees per kg, so that the mixture to be of worth, is of worth 1000 rupees per kg. So they are saying that we are going to mix two mixtures and we are going to change the average of the mixture. So let's say A1. So generally our convention is that we take A1 to be the mixture with the higher average. So let us say A1 is a rice with average cost 1080. Average cost means it is nothing but the cost per kg. And let us assume that A2 is the rice with average cost 930 rupees per kg. Now we are going to mix these two in such a way that the final average is going to be 1000 rupees, right? We are not going to sell it at this high price, or we are not going to sell it at this low price. We want to sell it at this price. Then how much of this rice are you going to mix? See, in order to think about it, you can say there are two bags. One bag is having rice whose cost is 1080 per kg, and other bag is having rice whose cost is 930 rupees per kg. Now we are going to form a new bag by taking some amount of rice from here and some amount of rice from here, in such a way that we want to sell this rice, the new rice, in such a way that the cost is 1000 rupees per kg, right? Now I told you that not to solve that question, I told you that we can use the diagram, right? Earlier in the earlier example I have shown you the diagram. So what is the diagram say? A1, which means put the higher cost, higher number there, and then the group average here, the final mixture average, and then the lower one here, 930, right? Now this is nothing but, let us say this side represents the rice with cost 1080, so let me call it as N1080, right? This is the amount. And this one represents the rice with cost 930, so let me write it there. Now what I do is, I'll take the difference of these two and the difference of these two and write them here. So let me write 1000 only here. Okay, so what is it? Higher value, the average of the mixture, and the lower average. Now you take this difference and you write it there. So what is the difference? 80. And you take this difference and you write it over here, right? So when I talk about the difference, you have to take higher number minus lower number, right? So what is the difference here? 70. Now what does it mean? The weight of the rice with 1080 cost is to weight of the rice with 930 rupees cost per kg equal to 70 is to 80. That is the meaning of it. Got it? So what does it really mean? You can take this rice in any ratio, in any value, in such a way that the ratio is 7:8. For example, you can take 7 kgs from here and 8 kgs from here, and you can mix them up in such a way that the mixture is 15 kgs. Now you can sell each kg at a price of 1000 rupees without any loss, right? Or you can take 14 kgs of this and 16 kgs of this and mix them both in this bag in such a way that you are going to get 30 kgs of the final mixture, and you can sell each kg in this mixture at 1000 rupees, right? Okay.